So, hello students, I am Faisal Mushtaq, teacher of Jesus and Mary's School. Now, today I will teach science subjects standard 5th, chapter the circulatory system. This is the next part of the video of this chapter. Today I will discuss some points according to these chapters. Now I will discuss how the blood circulates and the heartbeat, pulse and how to keep the heart healthy. So how blood circulates? When the heart is relaxed, that means comfort, blood flow into it from all parts of the body. The right side gets deoxygenated, means poor in oxygen. Deoxygenated to remove dissolved oxygen. Blood from the whole body except the lungs, and the left sides get oxygenated are containing oxygen, means rich in oxygen, blood from the lungs. The valves, my dear student, valves are devices that control the flow of a gas or fluids through a pipe. Valves between the atria and ventricles are open so that blood can flow into the ventricles. Atria. As atria means a similar space in other buildings. Ventricles, any small cavity within a body, a hollow part of the organs. So when the heart contract, that means like an arrangement, this pushed out blood from the ventricles into the arteries. The left side pushes oxygenated blood into the aorta, while the right side pushes deoxygenated blood into the artery that goes to the lungs. The valves between the atria and the ventricles shut to stop blood from flowing backward into the atria. Backward in the sense of in the direction towards the back. In the direction towards the back. Now, how the process of the circulation of blood through the body? Here is some 6 point according to this. First point is there. Deoxygenated blood flow from the top part of the body into the superior vena cava. Superior vena cava, that means the large vein which return blood from the head, neck, throats and both upper limbs to the right atrium of the heart, which carries into the right atrium. Atrium, that means most are caused by a blood clot that form into the veins before passing through the heart and entering the arteries that carry blood into the lungs. So blood from the lower part of the body is carried into the right atrium by the inferior vena cava. Inferior vena cava, that means the large vein which returns blood from the lower extremities and the pelvic and abdominal organs. So next, from the right atrium, blood flow into the right ventricles when the right heart is just like felt the comfort. Third, when the heart contract, the right ventricles push blood into the artery that carries blood to the lungs. In lungs, the blood lost carbon dioxide and pick the oxygen gas. Next point. Some oxygenated bloods return to the left atrium through the veins, with the help of the veins from the lungs, and then flows into the left ventricles when the heart comfort either relax. Next, It is pushed into the aorta from the left ventricles when the heart contract. On that situation, the heart when the heart contract, it is pushed into the aorta from the left ventricles. 6 points. The aorta and its branches carry oxygenated blood to whole parts of the body. Now, heartbeats. What is heartbeats? One complete cycle of the heart contracting and relaxing is called a heartbeat. So, a heartbeat is a two-part of pumping action that takes about a second. As a blood collects into the upper chambers, send out an electrical signal that causes the atria and contract a normal resting heart rate for adult ranges from 60 to 100 beats per minute. Now, the heartbeat something for adult, how much? 60 to 100 times a minute. Generally, a lower heart rate at the wrist implies more efficient heart function and better cardiovascular fitness. So now it beats slower when we are resting and faster. When we are doing some physical exercise, it's very important for people. So now, naturally, because when the body rests, it needs less energy. Which means that blood does not have to the rush to supply it with oxygen. So, according to your book, here is explained a word stethoscope. So, what is the function of the stethoscope? It is a device. With the help of this function, we will check the doctor will check the heartbeat is functioning or not. So now the next topic is pulse. Pulse. So now the next topic is pulse. Pulse is a rhythmic beating in the arteries caused by beating of the heart. So every time the heart beats, the arteries beats too. They expand with the great speed of the blood push into them by the heart and then come forth. This is called the pulse. The arteries throbs with each heartbeat. Throb means to make strong regular movements or noises. It checking the pulse is a way of knowing how fast and how slow the heart is beating. So, but you can check the pulse rate. So, such place inside of the wrist with the help of the wrist. We will check. The doctor will check. So, the other point is keep the heart healthy. So, keeping the heart healthy is very important. Some few habits how to keep the heart healthy explain here. First, we will discuss to avoid eat healthy foods and packet food. Having packaged food like chips, cakes, avoid, and don't take fast food like burgers, pizza. A lots of packaged foods and fast foods have a kind is not good for the heart, harmful to the heart. Next, exercise or play regularly. Active peoples have fewer heart problems than peoples who sit around all day. So exercise it must be important and also play regularly during the day. So Fat is another thing that lead to heart problems. So try not to put on too much weight, not to take some to take hard work, and either to take weight something. This is this is hazardous for people those who are suffering from the heart problem. Next, many doctors believe that having gum and tooth problems can affect the heart. So keep your teeth and gum healthy. Always always check up the doctors those who are problem either suffer to the heart problem. Within a week, either monthly, you will the doctors, the patient, these type of the patients with the check with the help of the doctors every month, twist time. Next, a good night's sleep is very important for the healthy heart. So you must not stay up the late. So early to bed, early to rise. So now students, I have completed chapter first, circulatory system. So you will make some inside and exercise question answer with the help of this chapter and its a topic and according to my voice. So I will give some questions in Teno app also. So okay and good day. Thank you.